What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this video, as always, I'd like to request every single person watching to please like, comment, share, subscribe, click the bell icon so you know when the videos are coming out. I'm just giving you a hint, it's always around 5 or 5:30 every day, every other day, whenever they drop. Make sure you check out all the other videos, let's get the numbers up, subscribers, all of that good stuff. Also got a Discord community starting. There's 4 of us, just relaxing, maxing, all cool. Yeah, we're just there, we're just chilling. Enough of the waffle, let's just get straight into this. Dun dun dun. Boring old Nike sportswear box, the plain old box. And I think this box is the one I've seen the most compared to any other one. So like back in the day they had a different one, a brown one. There was also a brown and orange one, so half brown, half orange kind of thing. If you're old school and if you remember that. Then there was like a brown one for a bit, and now there's this one. Can we have a change, please, Nike, man? I just want a new one that isn't that Move to Zero box, because I really don't like that one. So yeah, let's just get into it. Enough about the box. The important bit, the information on the label. So it says Nike Air Max AP. I do not know what AP means, so I'm just gonna say make it up. AP, whatever you want to say. AP stands for, it's up to you, decide. And so the colorway is white, black and bright crimson, which is quite strange because I don't know where the bright crimson is. So we'll definitely have a look at that and see where that color is. The US size is 11, UK size is 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, Europe 45. The style code is CU 4826100, and they are made in Vietnam. Plain old tissue, and here they are. Nike Air Max AP in a black and white colorway. So I'll just run through the colors and then we'll be able to discuss it, or I'll be talking to the camera about it. So the sole is majority black, or if not, 98%. Then it's got 2 white bits. Traction is decent. Definitely not slippery. Unless it is icy outside or snowy, then good luck, you're on your own. These won't help you. We got the midsole. So this is the midsole. It's kind of in like 2 sections. So we got the air bubble, the long air bubble. It is white inside. Actually, no, it's not. It's actually like a leopard print and then white split in 2. Nice white with bits of leopard print. Yeah, not leopard print, but little dots. The midsole, or the second part of the midsole on top, is just white, plain white, and that does wrap around and is all white. Then we've got a small bubble there, as compared to the other side, which is quite big. And then we've got a etched in kind of Nike swoosh. Then we have, black leather going across, and then you can see it actually goes underneath and it wraps around. So that is one piece. On top of the wraparound black material, we've got a, wraparound again on top, which is white with some perforation holes, with a Nike swoosh. So it's a black swoosh. Then we have underneath or on top of that, but underneath the actual stitched in main swoosh, we've got mesh, a white mesh, which is you know, I'm not a fan of white mesh because of how dirty it gets instantly, but as you can see underneath, it's all, so literally from the back all around, wrap around. This shoe has a lot of wraparound details on it. Again, wraps around, mesh again. Then on the top, keeping consistent with the wraparound kind of theme, however it doesn't go around the front here, but it does, you know, start at the bottom of the laces, go all the way back, wrap around, and go to the front. Then on the heel, we have that Nike Air. So they changed it the way it's written, and you see it on the 270s and stuff like that. So the Air Maxes or whatever, not all of them, but some of them, that is embroidered in. There's a leather heel tab, and then heel tab you could say, and then leather on the back again with a black pull tab. The inside, I've actually noticed, so if I give you a quick, that bright crimson comes up on the inside, which is super strange because I have never ever seen the, you know, the insole color be mentioned on the box. I just think that's weird. Like, no one's gonna see that. You can't tell. It's not that big of a deal, you know. But something I can see is it does say comfort midsole, or insole I should say. I don't want to pull that out, but they are definitely comfortable. Quick, let's just finish up on going through the details. If you look behind the tongue, it's very easy to tell on this pair because it's all white. Mesh on the whole tongue, full on mesh, so keeping that mesh going. And then the Max Air, not Air Max, but Max Air on the label. Not gonna lie, I think that's kind of lazy and, you know, plain and just whatever. It is up to them, they design it. Then we have these laces. They're not flat, they're not rounded, they're flat rounded. Flounded laces. That's a new one that I made up and I'm sticking to that. These are the flounded laces to us. Then we've got that, you know, plastic, kind of rubber plastic, that's actually quite tough, swoosh in black. And then obviously the sock liner, the back bit is black, but when you just have a look inside after that, it's all white inside due to the mesh. So comfort levels are definitely up there. The only thing I've really spotted that people may have issues with is this, you know, leather, just depending on yourself, because this bit is quite stiff. I personally do not have any issues with that, so I find them very comfortable, more comfortable than Air Max 97 and Air Max 98. So if you want to know about comfort levels, that's the information from me personally. I find these more comfortable. I was actually shocked due to the, you know, the price tag and how comfortable these are. Sometimes you don't expect it, but yeah, they definitely give me a lot of vibes from a lot of different trainers. Air Max 97, Air Max 98. They've got some, you know, details that came from like the dad shoes, so the Monarchs, different bits and bobs. They're like a running version of the Genomes, all different types, you know, Air Max 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Also the TL2. I see it, I do see it. If you don't see it, then that's all you. I'm definitely waiting for a re-release of the TL2. But yeah, my people, I don't really have too much more to say about these. I like them. Obviously, they do have that factor of they will get dirty quicker than a triple black pair. But I like them. Retail price £110. These are around 80. So definitely do shop around. Try to get them cheaper. At around £80 for the comfort, style, definitely a cop, and it's a shout. Yeah. Let me know what you think of these. Let me know if you like them. Tell me if you hate them. Tell me if you rate them. Join the Discord. Click the bell icon. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Wait a few moments. You'll see an on foot video of these, and you'll be able to judge, see if you like them on foot. Take care, people.